Welcome back, guys. You must have used many times in PowerPoint presentation checklists or radio buttons to demonstrate multiple tables and your data into a presentation format. Today, I'm going to share with you same practice in Microsoft Excel. Just to help you to visualize this, I will come down onto the spreadsheet and you can see, for example, if I got a delivery for an equipment on Monday, I selected one, then second day, third day, easy peasy. So you can see on your screens that I have been able to sum these check boxes as well. So it's not that just I have checked the boxes, but also there was a sum on these boxes. Would you like to have this kind of table for yourself where you can click and have a sum as well in there? Very easy. So let's start working on it. It should be very quick and handy. Spare only 5 minutes with me and you will be able to learn this new technique for yourself. So let's, for the sake of an example, I'll pull data here. Let's say serial numbers, names, and training course. Let's say just for the sake of example, I'm putting some data here. So serial number, it is 1 2 3, so shouldn't be a problem. I will select them and drive them down till, let's say, 7. Okay, it's enough. 7. John, any names you can put it here. Ali, let's say. James, let's say. Bernard, we can also put Daniel, we can also put some other names. Alexa, that's also important. I'm not speaking out loud Alexa name because Alexa will get activated and then she will have to be answered as well. One more name we have, let's put Dora. So we have 7 names here and we'll pull in some training courses for them as well. Let's say personal development course, we had public speaking course, let's say assertive skills, and we have let's say listening skills, etc, etc. So we'll copy paste a couple of these down there just for the sake of example, and you have some trainings here as well, serial number trainings, etc, etc, and we will put checkbox here as well. And I would like to see how many of my employees or team members have completed this particular training. So for this I will add a total in the bottom as well. So now we have all set. We need to include what? First thing, radio buttons, and then we have to connect those radio buttons with the total down in the bottom that you see here. So first and foremost, remember that you have to go to the developer tab. You must see on the screen there is a circle around. This is the developer tab on your ribbon. Click on the developer tab and then you will find a variety of options, and one of them is insert that you see here. This will help you to insert controls on your particular spreadsheet. So click on insert and then you will see a lot of form controls on your screen. Don't be confused, you will see one of them that is checkbox, and this is one of the forms controls that we are going to use now in our spreadsheet and include it to the checkboxes. So I will click on it and I will simply do like this, a small checkbox I've got here. There is a name of the checkbox that I will remove eventually because we don't want to have a name appearing here. This is one checkbox. I need to now copy and replicate this checkbox to the other fields as well. So it's a simple copy and paste technique you have to follow, and you have to do it a little bit manually. It's a bit slow, but trust me, once you're done with it, you have a database kind of set up ready for yourself that you can use eventually to click and total your checkboxes. Now this checkbox, whenever you will select it, you will be able to sum this into it. But before that, you have to connect all of these checkboxes in a way with the box or the cell itself, so that you can connect them to the total as well. Very simple and easy, that part as well. Just right click on your cell, go to format control that you see on the screen, and here you have to link cell with the particular cell where it is at the moment present. You have to click on it and give this reference. Select OK. You have to perform the same exercise with the next one. You have to simply select and link the cell, and similar exercise you have to actually perform with all of the cells present in this particular range. So I'm going to select the next one. It's a little, as I said, slow, but eventually once connected, it's quite handy exercise that helps you eventually in the long term. I'm connecting the next cell here. The second last we will collect, format, connect, link the cell, and the last one, last but not the least, link the cell. So cells have been linked, and you can see the moment you click on the cell itself, you see a true or false appearing up here. Now this is a problem because we don't want to see this true or false here. So just select the cells and click on formatting the text as white. So now nothing will appear here. Now we need to find a sum formula or function here which can total up the boxes there. So is equal to count if, and you have to give a range, so I will select all my cells in the range, and then criteria is true. So whenever there's a true, it will count it as a 1. Now let's see if it works or not. Let me make the screen a little bigger for you. Click on it and you see you have a total here. Click the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one. So all of these trainings have been completed, and those are marked down there as well. Well, it's a very easy and handy, I will say, technique. You can use other form controls as well, and I'll come down to each one of them in my next videos. Till then, please practice this. I hope you enjoyed this as well. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and your colleagues. Till next time we see each other, take care of yourself, and I look forward to speak to you very soon. Till then, bye bye.